guys, so here you have shoulder pork shoulder. Okay, that is close to the bone, still have a lot of meat you can work around with. I did a big bowl to make little chicharrones de pork, and my ingredients are on the bottom there, and that is everything you see here. Rosemary, garlic salt, organic curry, regular adobo, all-purpose adobo, a pack of sazon, and I'm also going to be boiling some potatoes on the side with a simple salad. So good, yummy, yummy, goody, goody. That's for tomorrow. Here you go.
Beautiful Saturday morning. I'm up super early because I'm getting the bus company that's very much needed today. And so I am doing something very simple with simple ingredients. I'm actually making a banana kiwi cake with biscuit batter and with the rest of the box that I had left from my locas, my cousin's came. And then I have some mistletoe house chocolate chips. I have some kiwi I'm going to put on top. And the little crazy ingredient that I have is my cherry activia cups. So good. You have to try to bake a cake with any activia, but my favorite is the cherry. So I mixed it all up in a batter. I already have my leftover biscuits for my biscuits. So I'm using biscuit batter and regular cake batter. So that's what I'm going to do, a beautiful cake. I'm going to do 2 bread cakes, basically, and a bread buns. And that's what I'm doing today. Okay. And I'm also frying up some pork shoulder straight from the bone that I chopped up yesterday. Very fresh, so delicious. So I pampered that baby up in pieces. A little simple salad on the side. Super excited for today. Alright, so let's count our blessings every day, y'all. Let's do it.
Okay guys, so I'm all set up with my ingredients here. Now I just want to fill you guys in, okay? My secret to this is these are activias, okay? So not only are you going to indulge in some deliciousness with any kind of cup of activia that you get, you're also going to benefit from eating a delicious sweet cake and also digesting it. So that's a little mechanism you can do your crazy twists, and you never know what you're going to get. So that's how I came along with this. I definitely done this in a couple of my other YouTube channels. Just using a simple activia fruit, mix it in with some cake. So good. So I have my ingredients, I have my bins, I have my pan butter. So let's do it. Okay guys, so you definitely want to use the bananas, make sure they're nice and sweet, not like green, a little ripe. Okay, and another thing I also wanted to tell you guys, I've done cakes with smashing granola bars, so please check out my uploads on my old YouTube channel. I have a lot of good stuff that I did during COVID that I put together that tastes so good. So I'm going to smash these bananas up in here, but I'm getting it nice to the texture that I want for the batter. So yeah guys, get creative. Remember, it is your kitchen. You know what works, you know what we put together, as long as you know how to bake. and you know the main ingredients for baking, make it your own. Get creative, and that's what I said. Use your imagination, and that's what I've always done every time, especially when I bake. Like baking, you don't see me bake as much, but when I do, I go crazy with it. I'm more of a cooker. My daughter's the baker, but when I do bake, oh goodness, I come up with some crazy cakes. All right, so let's do it. I'll add in the activia, and this is the cherry. The cherry is my favorite. That is my favorite one that I always eat. Not a regular, but when I do buy these, this is the ones that I get. They do come in variety packets, as you guys know, but they do have them separate too, depending where you go. Alright, now I'm going to be smashing these bananas. So I'm just going to poke my batter a little bit here, squeezing these in. And then I have a cup of those Nestle House chocolate chips, and the kiwis are for the top of the cake. So that is for the tippy top. When I put my vanilla icing that I have left over as well from the raspberry cakes that I did, that I uploaded with my prima and my locas. We had a wonderful time, by the way. Lots of laughter. All right, so I'm gonna cut this video, so I'm gonna go ahead and just stir this in there as well. And that's all you need. Just mix it all up, you're good to go. Okay guys, so our batter is done. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour into here. Look at that yumminess, that banana, and that delicious chocolate chip. So good. So I'm making 2 of these, one for home and one for my special visitors today. And I always spray a little bit of the butter pan right on top because it gives it a nice crisp. One of my little tricks that I do, little hacks in my kitchen. So kiwis will be nice and washed up and sliced up for the topping of the deliciousness of the cake. Cannot wait to show you guys this. Okay guys, so at a 350 degrees, 20 minutes, and then let it cool down for a little bit. You want to add a little bit of country cock butter. I mean, if you want to do the regular one, that's great. This is the light one. I like to do everything, you know, the healthiest I can. So there we go, save that ice. Here we go, time to fry. Pork shoulder, all cut up from scratch on a bone.